Imagine you go to the grocery store, buy the same things you always do, but the bill is higher than last month. Rent is creeping up, gas prices are unpredictable, and even streaming services are getting more expensive. It feels like your money disappears faster than ever. This is not just bad luck, it's the reality of 2025. Prices are rising, jobs are changing because of technology, and the cost of living keeps climbing. The old way of budgeting isn't enough anymore. That's why frugal living is more important than ever. But being frugal today doesn't mean being cheap or living without joy. It's about spending smarter, cutting waste, and protecting your future. In a world that's becoming more uncertain, frugality is not just smart, it's survival. And it might just be the key to a richer, happier life. In this video, we'll show you why you need to be frugal, now more than ever. Frugal living. Number 1. The new face of frugality. It's not just about saving. When people hear the word frugal, they often think of cutting coupons, skipping coffee shops, and always saying no to fun. But frugality in 2025 looks very different. It's not just about saving money. It's about living smarter, healthier, and happier. First, frugality now includes digital smarts. There are apps that automatically find better deals and track spending in real time. You don't have to sit with a notebook and pen to budget anymore. Your phone does the hard work. Second, being frugal today also means protecting your energy and health. It's about buying quality items that last longer, eating home-cooked meals that save money and boost your health, and avoiding the stress that comes from living paycheck to paycheck. Frugality is also eco-friendly. Using less means wasting less. People are now choosing reusable products, repairing instead of replacing, and cutting energy use, not just to save money, but to help the planet. Even time is part of modern frugality. Why spend hours on tasks when simple habits, like meal prepping or smart shopping, can save both money and time? Most importantly, today's frugality is about choice, not sacrifice. It's choosing what really matters to you, whether that's saving for travel, retiring early, or just having peace of mind. In 2025, being frugal isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart, free, and in control of your life. It's a lifestyle that gives you more, not less. Number 2. The 2025 reality check. Why the world is pushing you toward frugality. The world in 2025 feels more expensive than ever. You might notice it when you buy groceries, pay rent, or fill your gas tank. Prices keep rising, and it's not just inflation. There's something deeper happening, and it's pushing more people toward frugal living, not as a choice, but as a necessity. Inflation has been a problem for years, but now it's hitting harder in everyday life. Food prices are unpredictable because extreme weather is hurting crops around the world. Housing costs keep climbing, and even though some cities are building more homes, the demand still outpaces supply. Renters, especially in big cities, are spending more than half of their income just to keep a roof over their heads. At the same time, jobs are changing fast. Artificial intelligence and automation have replaced many positions, even in fields people once thought were safe. It's not just factory work. AI now handles customer service, writing, and even legal tasks. This means job security feels shaky, and many workers are turning to side hustles just to stay afloat. Silent inflation is making things worse. Even though governments say inflation is under control, the reality feels different. Products aren't just more expensive, they're shrinking. Cereal boxes, snack bags, and even household items like detergent now come in smaller sizes for the same price. It's harder to notice, but your money simply doesn't stretch as far as it used to. What $100 bought last year now barely covers the basics. This means your money loses value every month. Debt is another growing problem. With interest rates staying high, credit cards, mortgages, and student loans are more expensive to pay off. People who once managed fine are now struggling with monthly payments. Extreme weather events are disrupting food production and supply chains. Floods and wildfires make basic goods more expensive and harder to find. Frugal living helps you adjust and finding cheaper alternatives. All of this creates a perfect storm. Spending like before is no longer sustainable. That's why frugal living is becoming the smart way forward. It's not about being cheap, but about protecting yourself from a system that's changing faster than most can keep up with. In 2025, frugality is less about saving pennies and more about staying strong in an uncertain world. It's the quiet power that keeps you in control when everything else feels unpredictable. Number 3. The hidden power of frugality. It's about freedom, not sacrifice. Many people think being frugal means giving up things you enjoy, like eating out, traveling, or buying nice clothes. But in 2025, frugality has taken on a new meaning. It's not about sacrifice, it's about freedom. Freedom from stress, from debt, and from the constant pressure to spend just to keep up. Freedom from stress. When you live frugally, you're not controlled by rising prices, job instability, or economic changes. Imagine not worrying about the next rent increase because you've built savings. Think about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can handle a car repair without reaching for a credit card. That's what modern frugality offers: control over your life. Frugality also gives you freedom with your time. When you spend less, you don't need to work endless hours just to cover your expenses. Many people today are choosing part-time work, freelancing, or remote jobs because they've lowered their cost of living. Instead of being trapped in the cycle of working just to pay bills, they spend more time with family, pursuing hobbies, or traveling. Health is another overlooked benefit. Frugal choices often lead to healthier habits. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also cuts out unhealthy fast food. Walking or biking instead of driving saves on gas and keeps you fit. Even reducing stress by managing your finances well has long-term health benefits. Frugality also protects you from feeling stuck. If you hate your job, living frugally gives you the option to quit and look for something better. If you want to move to a new city or travel, having savings makes it possible. You're not tied down by bills and debt. The best part? Frugality doesn't mean giving up joy. It means choosing joy more wisely. You spend on what truly matters, whether it's a special dinner with loved ones, a weekend trip, or simply having peace of mind. When you stop spending mindlessly, you gain something far more valuable: freedom to live life on your terms. In a world where everything feels uncertain, frugality gives you control and confidence. It's not about less, it's about more of what truly matters. Number 4. The future of frugality. Where we're heading. Frugality is no longer just for people trying to save money. In 2025, it's becoming a lifestyle choice for everyone, including those who can afford to spend more. As the cost of living rises and technology changes how we work and live, more people are realizing that spending wisely is the key to a stable, stress-free life. In the future, frugal living will focus on sustainability and smart choices. People will invest in quality products that last longer, reducing waste and saving money over time. Sharing resources within communities, like car sharing and tool libraries, will become more popular, making it easier to live well without owning everything yourself. Even wealthy individuals are embracing frugality, not out of necessity, but because mindful spending brings more satisfaction than endless consumption. In a world of uncertainty, frugality offers something priceless: peace of mind and true freedom. Number 5. Practical steps to start your frugal journey today. Starting a frugal lifestyle doesn't mean you have to change everything overnight. Small, simple steps can make a huge difference. It begins with understanding where your money goes. Most people don't realize how much they spend on little things. Tracking your expenses for 1 month can open your eyes. Once you know where your money is going, it's easier to cut back without feeling deprived. Canceling services you barely use, cooking more meals at home, and planning your shopping can free up hundreds of dollars every month. Meal prepping not only saves money, but also reduces stress during busy weekdays. Energy-saving habits can also cut your bills. Turning off lights, unplugging devices, and adjusting your thermostat by just a few degrees can lower monthly costs. Investing in reusable products like water bottles and shopping bags saves money while helping the environment. Building an emergency fund, even if you start with just $10 a week, creates a safety net. Over time, these small savings add up and give you peace of mind. Frugality is about choosing what truly matters and spending with purpose. Frugality is not about living with less, it's about living with more freedom, peace, and control. In 2025, when prices are rising, jobs are changing, and debt is growing, frugal living is more important than ever. By spending wisely, you protect yourself from financial stress. You gain the freedom to choose how you live, work, and enjoy life. The best part? Frugality means finding smarter ways to enjoy life. Cooking a nice meal at home, spending time with loved ones, and enjoying free activities can be just as fulfilling as expensive outings, no matter what the world throws your way. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.